Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel! Guys, as you can see, wala na tayo sa Toronto. Wala akong kwentang vlogger kasi hindi ko na-vlog agad kanina. Nandito na tayo sa Halifax! Video na lang ako ng mga gagawin namin kasi think makakapag-vlog pa ako ng maayos. Okay guys, yun lang. Just an update. Bye! Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa hotel. Late na ako na-update. Kasi ngayon ko lang naalala. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Nakahiga na sila. Nakatae na si Rowan. Nakaayos na sila. Nakapag-makeup na nga sila eh. Ako na lang talaga hindi ayos eh. Ayusin ko lang yung mga gamit. And then lalabas kami ulit.
Tatay si Jazz!
Tatay si ate! After ko! Sige na, yun lang. Bye! Okay guys, hindi ko kayo nakalimutan i-update. Nakaayos na kaming lahat. Presentable na kami. Magpipicture lang. Yun lang. Saan ba tayo unang pupunta?
Sa mall.
Sa mall. Ganap kami ng mabubudol.
Si Jojo.
Food. Tapos tsaka kami maglalakad. Okay guys. We just left the hotel. And naglalakad na kami papuntang destinations namin. Hindi ko alam kung saan daw, pero let's see kung ano una namin mapupuntahan. Okay guys, first stop. Pangalan nito?
Oo, magbubulag ka. Bakit i-search ka kasi?
Halifax Citadel. National Historic Site of Canada.
Yung clock tower nila.
Okay, we're walking now. After na nagpicture dun sa baba. This is the clock tower. Yan sila. Akit na kami. Ang ganda dito guys. Peaceful. Tsaka ang ganda ng weather. Oh. Pakita ko sa inyo yung taas guys. Pag nakaakit na ako. Kasi kailangan ako workout. Masyado na ako napapagod ng mabilis. Dito na tayo sa taas guys. Ganda ng weather today. Clear sky. Ito yung loob ng listanan na pinasukan na. So, ito yung taas niya. Ito yung nasa taas. May mga canyons. Guys, kakatapos lang namin sa Citadel. And on the way na kami sa kainan. We're here. We're gonna eat here. Okay guys, update. Nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. It's It's called McJolly. Filipino restaurant. Filipino fast food restaurant chain. Kinuha namin yung eat all you can nila. Let's see kung masarap. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ito na yung summit, guys. Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I just doing my editing for my vlog, this vlog, and I saw that I didn't have any update from where we eat lunch from McJolly until we go back to our hotel, because we were so full and so tired from everything that we did before that. After we ate, we just walked straight to our hotel, and then we took a nap, like a 3-hour nap before we go back out. So you'll see that on the next few clips. That's right. Yeah, get that. Hi guys. So,
Chowder na lang ako, 30.
makaalis na kami ng hotel kanina. Nagpahinga lang kami. Tapos, nakatulog kami. Freshen up and then nakahanap na kami ng dinner namin, which is here in McKelvis. McKelvis.
Fresh onion soup. O chowder na lang.
So, we got the chowder, calamari, and...
Paglasa mo yun.
Okay guys, titikman natin.
Wala ko mag-order ko pa ng iba.
For our main dish, it's gonna be cheesy mushroom,
Oh,
cheesy
ano
crab stuffed mushroom,
Ay, sorry.
something. Pasta and lobster roll. Yeah. Thanks. And truffle fries. Hi guys. Kalimutan ko na naman mag-update. So, nandito na kami sa hotel room namin. Nag-iinuman na kami.
I-search mo nga.
We're done for tonight. It's currently around 11:30, I think. So, mag-chill na lang kami tonight. And then tomorrow, update ko ulit kayo kung ano yung una namin gagawin. I think pag-swim kami. Let's see kung matutuloy siya. And tomorrow is our last day. Uwi na kami ng 7 sa Toronto. Yun lang guys. Good morning guys. Morning. So, kakaalis lang namin. Kakaalis lang namin galing hotel. Nag-check out na kami. And, papunta na ulit kami sa pinuntahan namin kagabi, which is sa may lakeshore nila. Doon kami sasakay ng ferry today to go to a different town para mas malapit na kami mamaya to go to the airport. So, our flight time is 7:50 p.m. here in Halifax. And then, pagsakay namin ng ferry mamaya-maya, bibili lang kami ng coffee. Doon na rin ata kami kakain. Pag nagawa namin yun, maglilibot lang kami doon. It's another town here in Halifax. Currently, we're here in downtown Halifax. Yun lang guys, update lang. We're waiting for the ferry. Tayo na kami ng ferry guys. Punta sa kabila. Kabili na kaming Tims.
Gusto ko ng sushi.
Okay guys, breakfast lunch kami ngayon dito sa Japanese restaurant. Ang cute ng setup nila. So nice here guys. Aray ko. So, kakakain lang namin.
Ay, ito ako kasi dito.
Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa airport. Kakarating lang namin. Actually, kanina pa. Chill lang kami sa labas for a second. Tapos, pumasok na din kami dito sa loob. And we're currently in, I think, Marriott Hotel. May restaurant dito. Dito muna kami kakain for our, what time is it? Snacks, maybe? Yeah. Nakalagay dito. Tapos, may pool table dun. Baka maglaro kami later. Yan lang guys. Sobrang pagod na pagod kami kanina pa kami naglalakad. So what we did today, I don't know if I had a video of nag-check out na kami sa hotel around 11 a.m. and then we walked all the way to the ferry. Tapos sumakay kami ng ferry from downtown Halifax to downtown Dartmouth. It's another small town here in Halifax. And then chill lang kami dun sa May Bay area. And then nakadakad, kumain din kami dun ng lunch, which I took a video earlier sa Japanese restaurant. It's really good. Ano pa, na naglakad ulit, nag-chill, tapos palipas oras, and then we went to the bus station to go here sa airport. So yeah, yun. Currently we're here at the airport, and then wait lang kami kasi ang aga pa. It's currently 4 p.m. here in Halifax, and mamaya pang 7:50 yung departure time ng flight namin, which is we still have like a couple of hours to spare. We're looking to find like a shop here so we can buy something na mauwi namin sa Toronto, souvenir then. So yeah, kakain muna kami, nag-washroom sila, wala akong kasama right now. Yeah, pakita ko na lang ang kainin namin sa inyo later. Hi guys, so update lang. Nandito na kami sa loob ng airport. I mean, ng gate. Nandito na kami sa gate. Naghihintay kami kanina for our departure time. 7:50, but the aircraft is delayed. So yun guys, update lang sa inyo. Yeah. Dito kami sa Gate 14. Dito sila. And yun nga, like I said, delayed yung aircraft for 30 minutes. So, yung departure time is gonna be 8:30. We're gonna be here for a while. Just an update. Sa Porter Reserve kami ngayon. Yeah. So, board kami ng around 8. Dito na kami ngayon. What time is it now? 8:22 na. And then, departure time will be 8:39 something. So yun lang guys. In-update ko lang kayo. Uwi na kami ng Toronto. See you! Hi guys, as you can see, I'm back in my room. So we landed around 8 p.m. which is delayed lang kami ng 30 minutes, I think, yeah. And then, yeah, mabilis lang. After that, after we landed, we got out of the airport. We waited for Kuya Archie to pick us up. And then, yeah, diretso uwi na kasi we're so tired, we're so drained. But, I mean, we did enjoy. It's just tiring because it's just one day. But it's fun though. At least we tried it. And we're definitely going back there with our friends, Kamkang. So our whole Kamkang will go there. We're trying to actually visit all the provinces here in Canada. So hopefully we can do it. But yeah, next time kasama na namin yung buong Kamkang to go to Halifax. And yes, yun lang guys. I am just ending this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully maengganyo kayo to visit Halifax. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video as well. I am trying my best to do more vlogs soon. So this is the first. Hopefully there's more to come. And yeah, thank you so much guys. We'll see you on the next video. Bye!